Imagine stepping into a world where turquoise waters meet powdery white sand, where ancient landscapes whisper stories of the past, and where every island feels like an undiscovered paradise. Welcome to the Philippines, a country of over 7,000 islands, each offering its own unique adventure. From breathtaking limestone cliffs and hidden lagoons to historic colonial towns and natural wonders that seem almost too surreal to exist, the Philippines is a place that never fails to amaze. Whether you're a thrill seeker looking for adventure, a history buff eager to explore the country's rich past, or simply someone in search of the perfect beach getaway, this country has something for you. In this video, we'll take you through 7 incredible destinations that showcase the best of the Philippines. Make sure to watch until the end, because our number 1 pick is something truly extraordinary, an experience that will make you feel like you've stepped into a dream. Number 1. Palawan. Palawan is often referred to as the last frontier of the Philippines. And once you set foot here, it's easy to see why. This island province is an untouched paradise that boasts some of the most breathtaking natural landscapes in the world. El Nido, one of Palawan's most famous destinations, is home to towering limestone cliffs, hidden lagoons, and pristine beaches that look like they were lifted straight from a fantasy novel. Taking a boat tour through big and small lagoons will leave you in awe, as you paddle through glassy turquoise waters surrounded by dramatic rock formations. But Palawan isn't just about El Nido. Coron is another must-visit, known for its sunken World War II shipwrecks, making it one of the best diving spots in the world. Meanwhile, Puerto Princesa's underground river, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers an eerie yet fascinating journey through one of the longest navigable underground rivers on Earth. Whether you're snorkeling in crystal-clear waters, trekking through lush forests, or simply relaxing on a secluded beach, Palawan is a destination that feels like a dream come to life. Number 2. Boracay. Often referred as the Maldives of the Philippines. If there's one place that perfectly embodies a tropical paradise, it's Boracay. Famous for its powdery white sand and crystal-clear waters, Boracay's white beach is often considered one of the best beaches in the world. The sand is so fine and soft that it feels like walking on clouds, while the calm, shallow waters make it an ideal place for swimming and relaxation. But Boracay isn't just about unwinding under the sun. It's also a hub of adventure and nightlife. During the day, you can try out thrilling activities like parasailing, jet skiing, and paddleboarding, or take an island-hopping tour to discover hidden beaches and snorkeling spots. As the sun sets, Boracay comes alive with vibrant beach parties, fire dances, and live music performances. If you prefer a quieter experience, Ifugao Beach offers a more serene escape, where you can bask in the beauty of nature without the crowds. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or an unforgettable party scene, Boracay is the kind of place that makes you never want to leave. Number 3. Banaue Rice Terraces. Hidden in the mountains of northern Luzon, the Banaue Rice Terraces are a masterpiece of ancient engineering, often referred to as the 8th wonder of the world. These terraces were carved into the mountainsides by the indigenous Ifugao people over 2,000 years ago and have been carefully maintained for generations. The sight of these emerald green terraces stretching as far as the eye can see is nothing short of breathtaking, especially during the planting season when the fields glow in vibrant shades of green. Walking through the terraces feels like stepping into another world, where time moves slower and nature reigns supreme. The most stunning part of the terraces is found in Batad, where the amphitheater-shaped landscape creates a surreal and almost mystical atmosphere. Beyond admiring the view, visitors can trek through the rice fields, visit traditional Ifugao villages, and learn about the local culture. At sunrise, the entire landscape is covered in mist, making it feel like a stairway to heaven, rising from the clouds. Number 4. Cebu, the adventure capital of the Philippines. Cebu is the kind of place where history and adventure collide, making it a perfect destination for those who want a little bit of everything. The island is home to some of the Philippines' most significant historical sites, such as Magellan's Cross, which marks the arrival of the Spanish explorer Ferdinand Magellan in 1521, and Fort San Pedro, the oldest fort in the country. But what truly sets Cebu apart is its incredible outdoor experiences. One of the island's most thrilling activities is swimming with whale sharks in Oslob, where you can come face to face with these gentle giants in their natural habitat. If you're looking for even more adventure, head to Kawasan Falls, a stunning multi-tiered waterfall where you can try canyoneering, an adrenaline-pumping activity that involves jumping off cliffs, sliding down natural rock formations, and swimming through turquoise pools. For beach lovers, Malapascua Island offers some of the best diving spots in the country, where you can encounter thresher sharks in the deep blue waters. Cebu is a destination that never runs out of surprises, blending history, nature, and adventure into one unforgettable experience. Number 5. Bohol. Bohol is a land of wonders, known for its one-of-a-kind landscapes, rich wildlife, and cultural heritage. The Chocolate Hills, Bohol's most famous attraction, are a series of over 1,200 perfectly shaped hills that turn brown during the dry season, making them look like giant mounds of chocolate. But that's just the beginning. Bohol is also home to the Philippine tarsier, one of the world's smallest primates, with big, round eyes and an adorable expression that will melt your heart. For a more serene experience, take a cruise along the Lobak River, where you can enjoy a buffet lunch while floating through lush, jungle-lined waters. Bohol is also a paradise for divers, with the vibrant Balakasag Island Marine Sanctuary, teeming with coral reefs, sea turtles, and colorful fish. Number 6. Siargao. Siargao is a paradise for surfers and nature lovers alike. Known as the surfing capital of the Philippines, this teardrop-shaped island is home to Cloud 9, one of the world's most famous surf breaks, attracting professionals and beginners from all over the globe. But even if you're not into surfing, Siargao has plenty to offer. The island boasts pristine white sand beaches, turquoise lagoons, and enchanting rock pools. A must-visit is Sugba Lagoon, where you can kayak, paddleboard, or simply float in its emerald waters surrounded by limestone cliffs. Another hidden gem is Magpupunco Rock Pools, where crystal-clear tide pools form during low tide, creating a natural infinity pool perfect for swimming and cliff diving. For island-hopping adventures, head to Naked Island, Daku Island, and Gayam Island, each offering a unique tropical escape with powdery white sand and azure waters. As the sun sets, Siargao's laid-back vibe comes alive with cozy beachfront bars, fire dancers, and acoustic music, making it an ideal spot to unwind and connect with fellow travelers. Whether you're chasing waves, seeking hidden natural wonders, or simply embracing the island life, Siargao is a tropical haven that captures the heart of every visitor. And number 7. Vigan. Vigan is a city like no other in the Philippines. A perfectly preserved Spanish colonial town that feels like stepping back in time. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Vigan boasts cobblestone streets, ancestral houses, and centuries-old churches that tell the story of the country's colonial past. A visit to Calle Crisologo, the city's most famous street, is like walking through a living museum, where horse-drawn calices, or carriages, still roam the streets. Visitors can explore historic landmarks like Bantay Bell Tower, Sequoia Mansion, and the Vigan Cathedral, or take a boat ride through the Mestizo River for a unique view of the city's architecture. Food lovers will enjoy Vigan's famous empanadas and longanisa, traditional dishes that reflect the city's rich cultural blend. And there you have it. 7 breathtaking places that showcase the Philippines as one of the most beautiful destinations in the world. But this is just the beginning. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other travel guides and discover even more incredible places to visit around the world. Click on the next video, and let's keep exploring together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more adventures. See you in the next one.